Tamika Lynn. I hope you are having a fabulous day. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining. And if you're returning, I so appreciate the support. So today I have such an exciting unboxing, but let me just give you a little backstory as to how we got here. I am currently in Warsaw, Poland. I've been here for several days. I have 2 more days and then I'm flying back home. It's actually my anniversary weekend. My husband was already in Europe, so we decided that I would just fly over and we would meet in Warsaw because it was somewhere I had never been before. He's like passed through before, but we've never really explored the city. So I thought, what the heck. So I flew over and got here Thursday. It's now Sunday. I'll be back home Tuesday, but it has been such an incredible trip. I absolutely love Europe. If you've been around for a while, you know I lived in Italy for 4 years. So Europe definitely holds a special place in my heart. And any chance I get to explore new parts of Europe, I'm all for it. I absolutely love culture. I love meeting new people. I love trying new things. So I love traveling. But anywho, so we spent the day out yesterday. We went to a couple of different shops. We found like the small area, a very nice like shopping area, like a shopping district. So part of the plan. Anywho, so anyways, yesterday we went out, had a really good time. We had breakfast at the hotel in the morning, and then we ended up, going shopping, and we did a early. So of course, it just made sense. So we saw they had like YSL, they had Bottega, Dior, Gucci, Louis. Man, anything you could think of, they basically had. I mean, I'm just so impressed, I must say. I don't know what I thought coming here, but it's very like the aesthetics to like restaurants, stores, etc. It's so modern, like just aesthetically it's so beautiful. So the outside of the buildings, they look very, very, European, right? But like the inside of the buildings, they're just so stylish. I don't know how else to put it, but I've been telling my husband all weekend, I'm just so impressed. I don't know what I was thinking. Like living in Italy, like everything was, I won't say it looked the same, but there was like one design, right? But here it just looks so like fashion forward, I guess you could say. I've been just so impressed. But anywho, so we ended up in Louis Vuitton. Now mind you, walking in, I really didn't have like a thought of buying anything. I mean, we were just like going. There hasn't been much that has piqued my interest. My CA, she usually sends me lookbooks. There's stuff that I'm like, oh, that's nice or that's cute, but there hasn't really been anything I felt the need to actually want or buy. So, I mean, you could say I've been chilling or whatever, but we walked into Louis Vuitton, and it was a 2-story building, so crowded. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. Oh, happy Valentine's Day, lovers. But anyway, yesterday was Valentine's Day, so I think that's partially also why the store was so crowded. The CA that I was speaking to, he mentioned that they've been that way for like the last week or what have you. So we walked in, super crowded. We kind of just like looked around. We looked around on the first floor, then we ended up going to the second floor. The security guard, one of the security guards at least, he had mentioned that upstairs were like shoes and clothing. And when we got up there, I noticed that they also had several handbags. When we got upstairs, another security guard came up to us. Mind you, we look different than everybody in the store. Let's just be real. Another security guard came up to us, and he basically said, "We know you're here. We're just extremely busy. Somebody will be with you momentarily." And I guess it was so that we didn't feel like we were being ignored or what have you. So I appreciated them acknowledging, our presence and telling us, we're sorry, but somebody will eventually be with you. So me and my husband walked around just looking at like shoes, clothes, etc., because that's what was on the second floor. Now I forgot to say, they actually have 2 stores. They had a women's store, and across the hallway was the men's store. So I guess if you put those 2 together, you would say it's like a pretty big store, but totally forgot that detail. Anywho, we finally got a sales associate or client advisor. I don't know the proper term, to be honest with you, but I don't know what his term was or his title, but he came over, really nice guy, and he asked, you know, was there anything that I had in mind or that I wanted to see? So walking in, there was a pair of shoes I did want to see. During the holidays, I actually tried to try them on, but the store I went to, they were out of stock. So I asked to see. The shoes were called the LV. I want to say they're called the Cozy. And he did not have my exact size. He basically had a size down and a size up. So he brought out both sizes. And although I like the shoe, it wasn't something that I was just in love with and I like just wanted to buy, you know, yesterday. So I was asking my husband, like, you know, what do you think about these? And he's like, they're cute, you know, but I don't know. They just felt kind of bulky, and maybe because they didn't have my exact size, I just felt like they felt heavy. Very cute shoes. I'll insert, you know, some photos, but it didn't work out yesterday. Maybe one day it'll work out, but they were a no for me. So he asked, was there anything else I wanted to see? And there was a purse that was on display when we first walked in the door. And so I asked him if he could go downstairs and get that purse so I could take a closer look. Now, mind you, I had saw this purse from a distance last year. I was in a store and a lady was like, I don't know, a couple of feet away from me. And I noticed it then. And I was like, gosh, that is beautiful. But that was kind of like it. I never really thought too much about it because I knew it was new. I knew it was a soft Speedy. So I knew the price point probably was going to be high. So I just never even like considered it or looked into it. I just had that, you know, thought in the back of my mind that her purse was beautiful. So when I walked in yesterday, I saw it, but I didn't really like look at it. We just, you know, went upstairs. So he went downstairs and he got the purse and came back, and I fell in love. I fell in love. The purse is just absolutely stunning. Even my husband was like, yeah, that's beautiful. So without any further ado, let's unbox my new bag. I haven't made a purchase since they started the new boxes. So I did get, you know, the new box with like this little push thing, and here's my receipt, but let's unbox. I don't know, I'm super excited. I definitely did not have this in mind, but you know, just sitting there holding it, I walked around the store, my husband was recording me. He was like, get the bag, you could get the bag. And I'm just so thankful for him. So this is my anniversary gift. But yeah, so let's get into it. Now, like I said, this is my first box like this. So let's see, how do you do it? Is it a magnet? Oh, it's like a magnet. It's a magnet, but anyway, so here she is. Now, the only unfortunate thing was that this was the only one in store, so I couldn't get like a fresh one from the back. And normally I like, you know, a fresh purse out of the back, but he said that this one had just been put on display because they sold the only other one they had in stock. So here you go. I present to you the Speedy 30 boho. I'm pretty sure I said that right. Isn't she beautiful? So it's trimmed in ostrich, and I'll do some close-up photos, but the bag is absolutely stunning. It has these pearl, this like pearl design. There are different shades of green, absolutely stunning. It's like, you might as well say like, it's like a good luck, like a 4-leaf clover, but it does say, it does have the LV logo in it. You know, I didn't even notice that yesterday. Absolutely stunning. I love this bag. It's just stunning. So I will have to play around with the bag tag to get it, you know, to my liking, but I absolutely love her. So she is a soft Speedy. So the proper name is the Speedy Soft 30 boho. Now online it says that it refers to this part right here as a colorful pearl chain, but it reminds me of like, I can't think of it right now. I'll insert it what I'm trying to say, but I absolutely love this bag. You know, the new soft Speedies, they have this shortened strap or what have you. It is detachable, but it is not adjustable. But do you see the ostrich? It's just it's darling. It has a double zip at the top, but it does not have the extended zipper. It does just, you know, zip to the edges, and then it is fully leather lined. Now I have one other Speedy 30, and that's my Murakami in black. I got it last year, and I love that bag. And so that's why I think I'm drawn to the 30s, because of that bag in particular, especially with it being the soft Speedy. Like, it's all squishy and soft, but that bag is extremely structured because it has like these silver like little feet attached to it. But this bag is truly, I would say this is truly a soft Speedy. Like, it is so squishy. But I absolutely love her. Oh my goodness. So I will do like a more in-depth video once I get back home. We'll, like, you know, talk about it. I'll use it. I'll put things in it. I'm gonna definitely, I would like to get a insert. I'll probably do a silk insert. Look at that beautiful interior. It's like a cognac. It does have one zipper, and this bag was made in France. It did come with like a lock and key for the little clochette right here, but oh, I love her. Now the tag thingy, it doesn't say boho, but I had looked it up online. Now, considering I bought this bag in Europe, once I get to the airport to fly out, I will be filing to get VAT. It's like the taxes that you pay in Europe. You get a percentage back. So this bag was definitely cheaper than buying it in the States. When you factor in how much I would have paid in the States plus taxes, I'm spending a lot less than I would be spending in the States. So I am so happy, if you cannot tell, but I absolutely love her. Now, I will try my best to record like the VAT process once I get to the airport, but in the store, in the actual LV store, I had to provide them with my passport so that they could create, you know, the document to get the taxes back. And so they put in all this information, they give you this paper, and you are required to show the item or items to like the customs person that's doing the tax form or whatnot. And then I actually have the app downloaded because I lived in Europe before, so I've done this process numerous times. Usually when we were living here before, anything that I wanted to buy, I would get it right before I was leaving to go to the States so that I could claim my refund in my taxes, because I want to say you have like 90 days or what have you, but you have to be leaving the EU. So you have to be leaving Europe in order to claim taxes. Now I'm in Poland, so it's zloty is the currency here. So I'll be getting back a little over 2,500 zloty. So yeah, 2,500 zloty is roughly like $700. You know, the exchange rate kind of like fluctuates. It changes every day. So we'll see what it is once I get to the airport. But the process is super simple, and hopefully I have enough time to record it, because I would love to make a video about it. I know there's so many people that travel, and you could just take such advantage of cheaper pricing in Europe once, you know, you factor in you're getting taxes back. So that was my experience. I absolutely loved this trip. I am enjoying it so much. I was asking my husband last night as we were leaving dinner. We went to a Armenian steakhouse. Oh, it was so good, chef's kiss. But on our way back to the hotel, I was telling him, I was like, do you think we'll ever come to Warsaw again? Like, this was such a, I don't know, it was just such a random spot to pick, but he was like, I'm not sure if we'll ever have like a reason, but I wouldn't mind coming back. That's how much I'm enjoying this trip. Our first night, we stayed at Nobu Hotel. I didn't even know Nobu had a hotel, and we ate at the restaurant. That was our first time eating at Nobu. It was delicious. We've tried like so many restaurants since we've been here. We've basically been eating, sleeping, walking, and then yesterday we shopped. Today we're headed to a museum, and then we're gonna have dinner tonight for our anniversary. But it's been such a great trip. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. I would love for you to share this video, and I would love for you to hit the subscribe button down below. And then I would love for you to follow me on my other socials, TikTok, Instagram. It's all Life with Tamika. I adore you guys so much, and thank you for rocking with me. Until next video, be safe.